know, guys, happy Monday. Guys, like my shirt say, Monday plans, drink coffee all day. You know, guys, how are you doing on this Monday morning, guys? For me, I can't drink my coffee, so I'm trying to push in and press in, guys. I'm on this no sweet diet from 10 p.m. to 10 a.m. So I'm really, trying to get through that for the rest of this month, trying to line my flesh up, to be disciplined enough not to, eat my sweets, because I love my sweets. Trying to refrain and cut back from that, working on that. So I can celebrate for the ones who are drinking coffee to get started. So, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to pretend. Cheers to you. This is my water, so I pretend with you. Okay? Guys, so how are you doing on this Monday? What are some things that you're doing to get you started? I need some suggestions, because it can be very hard for me now to transition from the weekend to Monday morning. It's hard. I want to sleep in. I had a great weekend. I don't want to get out the bed. So I need some help and some tips on some things to get Monday started. What are some of your Monday morning routine? Okay, tell me some of the things that you do to get perked up, to get ready to get your day started. You know what? And I'm going to admit, like, for y'all people that retire, I envy you. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to get up in the mornings. You can sit back and drink your coffee and wear your drink coffee all day shirt. You can just do what you want to do. Listen to your favorite podcasts or broadcasts, or you can watch your favorite show. And some of y'all probably like watching the news to keep up what's going on with the latest current event. Kudos to you. My hat goes off to you. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to get up and get dressed and get motivated. So shout out. You know what I'm saying? That'll be me one day. You know what I'm saying? And my idea of a perfect retiree would be to, get up and kick back, not have to do anything. If you got a yacht, go on the yacht, go on the water, look over, the ocean or whatever, and just look up at the sky and just take nature all in. You know what I'm saying? That's my idea of a perfect retirement. You know what I'm saying? I would say that's going to be me. That's going to be me. So speaking of that, guys, so what were some of your weekend things? What are some of the things y'all did this weekend? I see weddings was going on. What else? Birthdays, I saw that on the book. What are some other things? Some people tried new recipes. You know what I'm saying? That's always great. So I see y'all out there doing y'all thing. For me, this was like a chill weekend for me. You know what I'm saying? It was a chill weekend that I get to just refocus and just kind of, trying to do some things that's going to, work towards my goals. Try to jot some things down and just, enjoy. I enjoyed and did some binge watching. I binge watched some of my favorite shows. That's what I did this weekend. Just took it all and just relaxed. And just try to get myself ready for Monday, and which I'm still struggling. That's why I say, guys, I need some ideas. What are some things y'all doing? A lot of time it is kind of hard for me to transition from the weekend to Monday. And then it's like they said, a lot of time when Tuesday hit, that's when you get tired all over. So so I do need some pick me up ideas on what to do. And also I forget to tell you, like, I do like a lot of I'm in this group, so I do a lot of just like reading different other people content and doing different things like that. That's just one of my hobbies, just to try to get better at what I'm doing and try to get some ideas. So I've been doing that too this weekend, just some self-development type stuff. So yeah, so that's what some of the things that I've been doing. See what's going on. And let to my little inspiration in the morning time. This is one of the things that helped me out, you know, just to get back into the work mode of things, because when I'm at home, I am, you know, more laid back. You know, I don't feel like I have a sense of urgency when I am at home. So, but not like now that, you know, I'm about to go to work, it's like, okay, I'm more, you know, energetic, and I got to get this, that, and the third done. So, you know, I just need that type of, you know, inspiration and pick me up. So a lot of times, you know, I'm trying to see what's going on the radio. Not nothing too bad. Don't want to hear you know, a lot of bad news and stuff. Just enough, you know, just want to hear some type of inspiration, just to get me back focused and together on my commute to work. So doing that. Yeah, so guys, I just basically wanted to come on just for some advice and tips on some things that y'all do. What are some things, you grinders, that you do to get your Monday morning started? You know what I'm saying? Do y'all have an issue with getting up in the Monday mornings and getting started your work week started after you had a great fun blasted weekend? What are some things that you do, guys? I want you to help me out. Drop some of those ideas in the comment section, guys. And I want you to have a great, marvelous Monday, a great week, guys. And I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. And don't forget, drink you some coffee all day. It's Monday. Bye-bye.